Hi, in this lecture, I want to talk about using Freelancer to outsource some images or even music visualizers. So Photoshop or Adobe After Effects, it might be something that you don't want to learn, or it might be something that you don't have. But what you can do is use a website like Freelancer or Upwork to actually outsource your work to someone else. So I had a photo of myself in a studio. The desk was a little cosmetically damaged and the chair was a bit wonky. You can see in this image here that the desk here is a little damaged and the chair is a bit wonky. So what I did is I actually created a contest in Freelancer and I had 55 different entries. For me to create this in Photoshop, it would have taken me a very long time. I don't actually know how I could straighten up the chair. I probably could work out how to clean up the desk, but it would have taken me a long time. And to be honest, $10 is a very good price for me to do this. And for people who are experts at Photoshop, this might only take them 10 minutes or so. So it's a win-win situation for websites like this. I don't really want to spend my time learning Photoshop. I'd rather just pay someone who's already an expert at Photoshop to do this for me. So it's quite easy to do this in Freelancer. First of all, you will need to sign up to Freelancer and then just go over to hire freelancers and then start a contest. The good thing about a contest is you can pick the winner. I have had bad experiences in the past using outsourcing websites where I've given the project to the outsourcer and I haven't liked the work that they've done. With a contest, I can just look through all these 55 entries, and if I don't like any of them, I don't actually have to pick a winner. There's certain competitions. If you guarantee a winner, more people will apply. However, I don't guarantee a winner just in case I don't like any of the entries. So I do recommend creating a contest just so you can just pick the winner. For certain things, it will not work, like website design. You can't really run a contest. But for things like photo editing, which won't take the outsourcer too long to do, you can create a contest. You can do this as well with music visualizers. You can do this with album artwork. I do recommend, though, putting in your description for the contest exactly what you want, because some freelancers, they might not be able to understand exactly what you want unless you say it. Some of the people on outsourcing sites are not natively English speaking, so I would directly say exactly what you want. I've had some great experiences from Freelancer, especially in the competitions. There are other sites like Fiverr and Upwork, but I personally use Freelancer and I use competitions for outsourcing photo editing. Like I said, if you don't have Photoshop or you don't have Adobe Illustrator, so if you want a logo, photo editing, or even a music visualizer edited, all you have to do is just explain exactly what you want in the competition. And if you explain correctly, you will get many entries and hopefully there'll be one that you'll be happy with. If you have any templates from sites such as Envato, like a logo template or a music visualizer template, you will have to include these files for the outsourcer. Remember, if you do want to create a competition, include all of the files so the freelancers can get to work straight away. So all you need to do, like I said, is create an account on Freelancer and go to start a contest. And that's basically it. That's how you can create a contest. I would allow your contest to last a few days so you can get more entries in. However, if you set this up, you will get entries very fast. So thank you for watching this lecture. I hope you found it useful. I do find outsourcing very useful for photo editing and logo editing. I do believe it's a lot better to find an expert in this field rather than trying to learn everything yourself, because it can get overwhelming creating the artwork and the photos when you can find a professional to do it at quite a low cost on Freelancer. So thank you for watching this lecture and I'll see you in the next one.